guys, my name is Nora and welcome back to my channel. So in today's Benefit of series, we are diving into Katari Beauty's Barie oil. I'm hoping I'm saying that right, and if not, oh well. So basically, Barie is a prickly pear cactus seed oil. So you guys know I'm doing this little collab with Katari Beauty right now, but I'm still just giving you the facts when it comes to prickly pear cactus seed oil. That is a mouthful. So let's just jump right into the benefits of this magical oil and why you should think about investing in it. Prickly pear cactus seed oil is a bright golden color. It is native to North American desert areas and around South America, Africa, and Australia. What makes this oil amazing is all the components that are in it. So it's made of 73.4% of linolenic acid, which is a fatty acid that is very popular in beauty products, and it is used as topical applications to prevent and fight inflammation, treat acne, and help reduce moisture. It contains 12% polonic acid, which is a fatty acid that helps enforce a healthy skin barrier by functioning in smoothing the surface. So as we get older, we lose half of our body's lipids, which are necessary to help maintain healthy skin, and this just helps kind of with that. We have 8.8% of linoleic acid, which is an omega-9 fatty acid, which is a powerful antioxidant. It also helps in strengthen cell membranes and repair cells and tissue damage. So topical application of this oil helps to produce soft, supple skin that glows and looks really healthy. It can also help thicken hair, and it contains 5.8% of stearic acid, which helps the skin maintain moisture and stay flexible while helping with sun damage repair. And it also is a great source of vitamin E. So as a summary of all those words, here are essentially the benefits of prickly pear cactus seed oil. So it helps protect the skin against premature aging, it helps tighten the skin, it prevents wrinkle formation through regulating retinol production, it helps promote a beautiful healthy complexion, it can help reduce visibility and appearance of under eye shadows and dark circles. Personally, I love to use this at the end of my routine, really underneath my eyes. That's kind of where I get the most texture, and using this consistently, it has pretty much gone. It's very smooth now. I like using it on my hairline because homegirl got some issues there, but that's fine. And yeah, just overall on the face, there's definitely other ways you can use it. It's just personally how I use it. Yeah, that one was pretty much short, sweet, and to the point. So if you guys are interested in this oil, I will put a link to Katari Beauty in the description box below, along with my 10% coupon code. Know that she does always gifts with purchases, so look on the lookout for that. Also, there are others out there. This was my first experience with the cactus oil, so I don't have that many recommendations. Actually, I don't really have any recommendations for it. So, but if you find some that are good quality, definitely look into them and just see if they fit for you. As always, what works for me may not always work for you. Always do your own research when it comes to adding new things into your routine. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe if you haven't already. Until next time, guys, bye.